So you want to get into digital art? If you are watching this, you are already working your way to become an artist. But you feel so overwhelmed by all the rumors and advices that keeps telling you that you need expensive equipment and tablets to start drawing and so many other tools. And you don't know how to start your journey without mixing up everything. But don't worry, today I'm here to tell you, you don't need to spend a lot of money or buy expensive equipment. I'm going to show you how to save your money and time and get started real quick as a digital artist just with your mobile phone, and everything you need to know as a beginner artist when you are starting your journey. Why drawing on a phone is a good option. Many people think you need expensive equipment, graphic tablets, or you need to invest on expensive devices to start out. The truth is you don't. The reason I'm telling this is to save your money and also to demonstrate that as a beginner there are alternative ways for you to start out without spending your money on things that you have no clear idea about as a beginner. Your phone can be used as a powerful creative tool to start your journey as a digital artist. It fits right in your pocket and it's affordable, something everyone already have. It's the perfect tool for beginners or anyone who wants to start out as a digital artist without spending a lot of money on expensive materials. Now let's discuss how we can start our journey as a digital artist. There are so many apps that you can download to your phone that's capable of drawing. Apps like IbisPaint, Procreate, Medibang Paint, Sketchbook are some of the examples. Personally, I would recommend IbisPaint, because I have been using this app for years and I have been drawing for years on my phone as well. And IbisPaint is free to use. You can download these apps from your Play Store or App Store depending on the device you use. I would also like to mention you can buy a cheap stylus if you want. But it's optional, you can still draw with your fingers pretty well, when you are used to it. Now that we discussed the apps and how you can draw on your phone, let's try to put that into practice, shall we? Here I have IbisPaint, and there's also paid and free versions for the apps I mentioned earlier as well. And premium memberships comes with their own perks, and this is optional, you can still use the app pretty well without any of these. Once you have IbisPaint, open the app. Next you will see a plus button, and when you click that you will able to see different sizes of canvases, and you can even make animations on IbisPaint as well. Choose a canvas you are comfortable with, and keep in mind the higher canvas you use the more laggy your device can get, but only if you are using a really old device. But not to worry, you can still end up getting your work done on this app. Once you click the canvas you want, it will open up your canvas, and here you will see a list of mods, brushes, and tools that you can use to create art, and it takes time to get used to drawing digital art. Now you might think, I drew something on paper but I wanted to draw it on the app as well, and it would great if I could draw it digitally without redrawing it all over. And the answer is yes. If you are a traditional artist, you can transfer your sketch into this app, and let me show you few tricks I personally recommend when it comes to transferring your art to digital. Now that we have the app, click this button. And then click the camera icon, and once you click this it will open your gallery, and from there you can select the picture you took of your traditional art and then open it in the app. Once you do this, there's two methods you can easily use to redraw it. You can create a new layer and just redraw over your art. And you can also just insert your art into the app as I have mentioned before. Now make a new layer, and now select the color of the layer of the picture and color it all over the canvas, and then set the layer mod to divide, and you can merge the layers. Now you will see the line art has been done automatically in the canvas. And for the final step, set your layer to multiply mod, and now you can easily color over your layer. You can also use this app called Pinterest to find references to your arts. It's pretty useful to plan and find ideas, but make sure to credit the source if you use references. I hope this quick tutorial gave you an idea on how to start digital art just with your phone and without expensive equipment, and thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to see my upcoming videos and tutorials.